everything has been done for human beings for generations. We are trying to catch up with time, learning, creating, and developing for you. Since 2004, with the help of the Fabio family, we are providing more than 1,500 types of air spring for you, keeping in our minds that traveling is one of the most important comforts of your daily lives. We are continuously working in order to provide you with a more reliable service for your journey and transportation activities. As being a world trademark in the fields of normal air spring, seats, cabin, convoluted and passenger cars air springs, and through our 1.5 million production capacity, we are exporting our products over 128 countries around the globe. Our sales charts showed that 95% of our products are being exported, and we are accelerating fully day by day. While keeping on purchasing the technology from leading manufacturers of our age, through which we perform our manufacturing activities, we carry out visions which can meet your requirements most efficiently. Also, we proceed with our own machines in our manufacturing premises, and constantly carrying on developing and improving. We became more powerful by creating new technology, improving the old one, and within a year of 2017, we started our R&D center, which is supported by the government. We are, with a great desire and belief, performing our air spring production, starting from the first raw status of rubber, and continuing till the bellows that can reach thousands tons of power. Fabio, a reliability trademark which guarantees the importance of your comfort. That's why it gives to its customers a full tested products with a minimum 2 million cycle guaranteed. We provide services in 3 factories which included in our organization up till now. We are manufacturing comfort for you.